Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Sweat app on your mobile phone. Sweat app is the fitness app designed by women for women that provides personal training and fitness motivation for your fitness journey. To download it, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for SWEAT Sweat Fitness App for Women. You can see the app here, Sweat Fitness App for Women, workout at home or in the gym. Click on the app and over here click on the download arrow to download it. It will take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to use this app for your fitness journey. This app is ready to use. You can either log in or sign in and enjoy its features. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.